Hi, Kelly from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle, here today with a 1981 Kawasaki KZ1000 LTD fuel tank. As you can see, it looks pretty clean. I can't tell you for sure there's no Bondo in it, but it sounds like all metal to me. Inside is very clean on this tank. The underside, somebody already painted it. As you can see, this has a 5-screw sending unit, which indicates 1981. The 1982s went to a 6-bolt sending unit. So that is the difference between the 2 years, and that's why I'm selling this as a 1981 tank. It may fit other years, but for now, we're just going to call it an 81 because that is what it is correct for. This tank, it would be a good addition to your rider or restoration. It will be on our e-store, and thank you for watching.